Welcome guys, today I'm going to review Rocks Network application. So you guys can see this is a new crypto mining application. Rocks Network is a new crypto, already listed crypto guys. You guys can already trade, withdraw, and today I'm going to talk about this application only guys, okay? And whether this application is real or fake, scam or not, and how much money you can make from this application, how to mine, how to withdraw, how to use this application, how to refer and earn, and what about the plans, mining plans guys. Should you buy these mining plans in the Rocks Network application, and everything I'm going to explain in this video, okay? So this is a new channel guys, please subscribe to my channel. So this is the application guys, you guys can see this is the simple user interface of the application. You guys just need to mine in every 3 hours, okay? You guys just need to mine. Invite and earn option is also here. You guys can also send your mined tokens in your wallet, okay? You guys need to download NC wallet first, okay? Then you guys can easily put your address here and you guys can transfer. You just need minimum one Rocks token, okay? And the value of the Rocks token is equivalent to $1 at current time, okay? You guys have to mine around 1 week to accumulate $1. So earning potential is not also that bad, and there are some mining plans also in this application which I doesn't recommend you guys to buy, okay? This is a basic application and basic crypto projects just starting, so I don't recommend buying any plans in this application, but you guys can easily mine for free. This is a free application, you guys can easily mine for free. You guys can easily accumulate Rocks token. Later you guys can transfer it to NC wallet, and then you guys can switch your tokens to any other crypto, and then you guys can withdraw. I know you guys all know this stuff, and this is a real application as far as I can say till date. This project is working good. I don't know about the future guys, okay? This is not my guarantee that this project will work good, but this time I know about the current time this project is working well, okay? So you guys can easily download this application and you guys can start mining. Just do it for free, don't invest any money guys, okay? Just do it for free. So that's all guys. I don't have anything left to say. If you want to know anything or if you have any questions, just tell me in the comments, okay? And in the description I'm going to leave some links. Just go over the description and see. And this is all guys. So thanks for watching the video. So bye bye guys, love you guys.